His name is Gregoire.
Yes.
He's local people. He's local people from the Iaroka Forest.
Yes.
And he told the Helmet Vanga
Yes.
start incubate since 4th December. Yeah.
So he can't be off the nest. He will still be on the nest because 4 December was just the other day.
Yeah.
He'll be at least in the nest for like about 6 weeks.
Yes.
So then if he knows where the nest is, we'll find the Vanga.
Yeah. Okay, so he think
Yes.
today the Helmet Vanga has clutchlings.
Clutchlings?
Yes.
Ah.
Today, I think that.
No.
She think that.
Really?
Yeah.
So she might have to feed them.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. So Iaroka that means
Iaroka.
river.
River.
Yeah, the name of the river past they crossed inside the forest. And how big is this size? 3,000 yeah, 3,000 hectares. Yeah, yes. So here comes the Helmet Vanga. There are more than 100 helmets.
100?
Yeah, more than. Yeah. When the baby helmet become adults, so the parents they separate.
Yes.
Yeah, and the parents they gone twist around the forest.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why it's difficult to find.
Sure.
Yeah.
No, I know it's difficult.
Yeah.
So- We've got 5 kilometers to go on this road. Just going deep into the Iaroka Forest, looking for the Helmet Vanga. We've just been told that the Helmet Vanga is sitting on a nest and that they're expecting that the chicks will hatch today, as she was laying on the nest from the 4th of December. So we're really hoping that we can get onto this nest and that the chicks will have hatched today and that the mother will be feeding the young Vangas. Yes, to hoping. At the Iaroka Forest, we've literally just stopped the car and have entered. We have 3 guides. We have Tahina, our driving guide. We have Claudia, our local area guide. And then we have, most importantly, our friend in the front, who is the local Iaroka Forest guide. And we're here to see the Helmet Vanga. And our guides that told us from the beginning that by the time we get here, the Vanga would have been off the nest and would be very difficult to find the bird. The local guide is saying the Vanga's on the nest right now, and he says that she has been sitting on her nest for a while now, and he expects that today is the day that they will hatch. On Christmas Day, this is actually Christmas Day. It's hard to believe it's Christmas Day because it doesn't feel like it because we're on holiday. We hardly know what day it is, but today is Christmas Day, and if we see the Vanga, what a Christmas present that'll be, and what a beautiful Christmas it'll be to know that a new clutch of Vanga chicks would have hatched out today, just increasing the population by that much more of this very, very special bird that I must just let you know is listed as a top 100 bird of the world. And that is why we are chasing this bird, to know that we can get a top 100 bird. We've come specifically here to the Iaroka Forest because it would have been too difficult for us to get to the Masiola National Park, where it's a lot easier to find the Helmet Vanga. We've chosen this place, the Iaroka Forest, because it's the next best option for this bird, and they are known to nest here, and we're going to see if we can get them.